I got a free bandana from the Harley dealership, so let's show you how I'd wear it. Since a bandana is a square, grab the opposite corners and make a triangle. Position the middle of the triangle on about your forehead where you feel comfortable where you want it to go. Wrap the corners back around behind your head and then tie it in a knot. This part's important, so make sure you tie it as tight as you possibly can. The tighter you can get it, the better it will look and the less likely it'll come off. Go ahead and tie your second knot to secure it, and then pull up the top flap. Pull it all the way tight. So hold the bottom corner and the top corner, pull it up, and then tuck it underneath. When you tuck that underneath, you can, work out the kinks. Try to get it smooth to the shape of your head, less likely for it to come loose. And then I like to roll this front up. So you can either roll it up into a band, or you can roll it up underneath. So whatever you prefer. But then I'm, positioning it on my head. And then I like to go with where it sits on my ears, make sure it's tight. It would help if I'd look in a mirror, but since I'm looking at the camera, just kind of feeling it. But there you go, pretty simple. It's nice and tight. If you want to rearrange the pattern, you can do so by tying in different positions. But see you out there and ride safe.